Burglars don't hunt homes. They hunt weakness. They scan. They measure. They decide fast. And in less than 30 minutes, you can make them walk away. Most houses fail before the door opens, not because the door is weak, but because it looks easy. Light creates doubt. Doubt creates delay. Movement suggests presence. Presence suggests risk. Windows tell stories, and resistance changes the ending. Warnings don't need to be real. They need to be believable. Criminals hate uncertainty. Time is the enemy of crime. Order signals awareness. Awareness signals trouble. Easy targets always exist, so they choose the quieter path. Your goal isn't to stop everyone. It's to not be worth it. Survival isn't about force. It's about psychology. Subscribe to Last Day Sketches.